Be careful. Be careful. Throw it to Dad. Yay! You gonna jump to Dad? Go.
Hold on to this. Hold on to the football, Reed.
Let him swim his arms. Oh, I guess that does kind of help him float. Move your arms, Reed.
Catch it.
Be careful.
Ready? Catch it. Put your hands out.
Oh, almost.
Oh.
Yay! You caught it.
Slow down.
Don't run fast.
Whoa. Alright, paddle, swim, use your arms. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Good job.
Good job. Keep going, you're almost there. He started paddling again.
Yeah. You're doing better with your arms, buddy.
I'll go get the football.
You're almost swimming. You're almost swimming.
I almost hit you.
He's doing the windmill. Oh! He'll get it himself. Good job.
Reef, watch this.
You're so
Watch.
funny.
That one,
Be careful.
that
Step
thought
in
was
slowly. There you go. Now jump.
I kind of stumbled in that time.
He'll get his way back there. He's good. Good job. You're so close to swimming. You're so good.
His swim lessons start when, the 23rd?
Uh-huh. It's every day for like 2 weeks in the morning, just for like half an hour.
You're a turkey. You're a turkey. Alright, hold on to it tight. Hold on to it.
Good job. Hold on tight. Good job.
Good job. Alright, you ready for a little break? Dad's getting cold. Are you cold?
That's a no. You want to ride on your surfboard? Yeah, there you go. Show me how to ride. Show me how to ride. Yeah, there you go. Put your arms out. Good job. Okay, go back and see Dad.
Here, Reef, you want to go surfing in the pool? Come here.